Welcome back guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying these video sessions. In this Fruit Smasher game part 3, we will learn how to increase the performance of the game by destroying unwanted fruits and how to destroy a game object based on the mouse click. So open Unity, and this time we will be creating one more script, and this script will be attached to the all three fruits which we have in the prefabs folder. So right click and create a script here. We can name this script as destroy fruits. Press enter. Open this script and make changes. So in order to destroy this game object, we need to declare a constant value over here which is going to destroy the fruit if the fruit position reaches to that particular value. So we can call it here private const keyword is used for declaring a constant in C#. Float drop fruit is equal to minus 20.0f. So what does this mean? When the y value of when the position of a particular fruit reaches to minus 20f on y-axis, then this fruit is going to be dropped from the memory, or it is going to be deleted from the game. So what we will do now, in the update function we can write this code: if transform dot position dot y-axis, if it is less than drop fruit value, then simply destroy the game object. So we will call it here destroy game object. So let's save this script, open Unity. Now the important task comes over here, that we need to attach this script, destroy fruit script. There are three prefabs which we are using in our game, and if you open low poly fruits and double click on this prefabs folder, let me just have more room for these prefabs. Now you can see we are using apple, strawberry and peach, these three different prefabs. We need to attach the destroy fruit C# script to these three prefabs, so which is going to be deleted from our game, which is going to be destroyed from our game when the y-axis reaches to minus 20 value. So select this apple prefab and add a component, look for script, so you can look for scripts over here and select destroy fruit script. So this destroy fruit script is attached to apple. Similarly, we will be attaching it to strawberry and peach also. Select peach, add component, scripts, destroy fruits, strawberry, add components, scripts, destroy fruits. Now if I run this game and show you the output, you will see after some time the fruits will be destroyed from the game. So as you can see, the game is running, but we can't see anything here. I think the reason is we cannot see some of the objects which are being thrown in the air. The reason is, if you see the drop fruit value, which is minus 20f, actually if you see the throw fruit script also, we are dropping it from y-axis, which is minus 30. So already the condition is met over here. So once the condition is met, that's why we cannot throw these fruits. So we need to change this value, we need to increase this value. It should be less than 30. Like we can say, for instance, -40. So I just change this value to -40. I just change this value to -40, and if I save this script, open Unity. Now if we run this script again, if we run this game again, this time you will see different game objects are thrown. And observe the behavior. This time you can see different objects are thrown in the air. And just observe over here, these objects will be deleted from the memory as well, automatically, when the value reaches to -40 at y-axis. This is how you can increase the performance of your game, by deleting unwanted game objects at runtime. Now we will implement the next task, which is when we click on a fruit. So clicking on a fruit should destroy this fruit from the memory as well, and we will be collecting some points based on clicking these different fruits. So we will open the script again, destroy fruits. So here we will be adding mouse click event, which is going to be private void on mouse down. This function we will be implementing. So it means when we click on a particular fruit, its collider will be active, and this collider is going to sense the different events like mouse click event. So collider component must be attached to all the prefabs. Collider component will detect the mouse click on the fruit game object. So make sure that collider component is attached to all these three prefabs. We have already attached in our previous videos. So what we can do, we can simply destroy them. Destroy game object. This script is already attached to the fruits prefabs, so we don't need to make any other change. So let's observe the output now. And this time I'll be clicking on these fruits to destroy them. You have to be very quick to click on them, but even then they are not being destroyed. The reason is the collider which we used, we need to increase the size of this collider. How can we increase this? Go to the prefab, click on this apple, and you will see the sphere collider here component attached to it, and here is the added collider. So you can open this prefab, double click and open this prefab, and now if you click on this added collider, you see added collider, you see this is very small, so we need to increase this size. So I'm going to increase the size of this collider so that it should take the shape of this complete fruit. Now if we see on y-axis, x-axis, and all axis, this is great now. It takes the complete shape now. Similarly, we will be repeating these steps to peach as well, added collider, and increase the size. So guys, you need to make sure that the collider is on the same object. If we see on y-axis, it is on the same object. If we click on x-axis, it is same. On z-axis, it is same. But it is Apple object. We need to double click on this peach and look at this peach. This peach collider is far from this shape, so we need to move it. As you can see, the sphere collider is far from this peach shape, so what we can do, first of all, we need to reset this one. Click on the sphere collider settings button and click reset. So it will automatically take the position of this same shape. So now if I zoom in, now if we see from all axes, this sphere collider gets the perfect position. Similarly, now we need to edit the strawberry sphere collider as well. Just double click on this strawberry prefab and click on this edit collider and increase the size. So we are done. We have just completed the scaling of these sphere colliders. So go back. And now run this game and see the output. Now if I click on this, see, it is instantly, it gets deleted. Though it is very tricky actually. Yeah, see, instantly it gets deleted from the game when we click on this particular game object. So look at this. This is how we can destroy these different game objects. Now if you see, the speed was very slow when we were tossing these fruits in the air. To increase this speed, what we can do, we can simply go to edit menu, click on project settings. Now in the project setting button, activate this time, and if you see, the time scale is 1. This time scale 1 means one real life 1 second is equal to 1 second of the game window as well. Now if I change this to 3 or 2, let's suppose if we change this to 2, it means the real life 1 second is equal to 2 seconds of the game. So if I change this to 3, this means the real life 1 second, the real world 1 second is equal to 3 seconds of the game. So this is how it is going to increase the speed of the game. So if you reduce this value, then obviously the tossing of these fruits in the air will slow down. So increasing the value will speed up the tossing of these fruits. So let me just close this one. And now if I run this, you will see the tossing of these fruits is increased now. Look at this. Look at this. And it is very difficult for the player to hit these objects and to destroy these objects to earn some points here. I think it's very fast, and even I can't click here. So you can adjust the speed as per your requirement. So I'm going to reduce back to 2. I think 2 will be fine. So edit, project settings. So make it 2. So if I close it, if I run, well, we can do one more thing here. We can click on this maximize on play. So whenever you play this game, you can see the maximized window. So where you can see the output in a clear fashion. As you can see, Now see, I'm clicking on them. This speed is much better and we can earn some points also. Come on. Well, that's it for now. You can tweak all these changes and adjust the speed of your game, adjust the tossing speed as well. I'll see you in the next video.